my name is Dominique and I'm part of Sencor's shooting team. I would love to share some behind-the-scenes insights with you from the filming of our latest product, Sencor's first ever cordless stick vacuum cleaner with a digital motor. The concept of our commercial plays with speed ramping, where we use a combination of fast and slow shots to underline the drama of what this new product is capable of. We swoop into the action of our shot and then slow down to really present clearly the remarkable capabilities of this product for our viewer. Our macro close-ups will give the viewer a clear understanding of the precision, efficiency and quality of our new stick vacuum. The Sencor team dedicates a huge amount of time into the design and engineering of every last feature and detail of their products. And our commercial translates this dedication into moving images. Weeks of preparation and then several days on set really give us a chance to highlight each innovation and feature of our new vacuum. Like Sencor, we use the most advanced technology and know-how to create a film that really does justice to the product. What's important is that we never forget that behind all technology stands people and their endeavor to create something really outstanding. So, let's go.
Sencor, let's live.